Hello viewers, you're welcome back to my channel. If today is the first time you're coming across my video, thank you for clicking on my video. In this video I will be showing you how to interlock dreadlocks. This method, so now I'm going to be palm rolling it, and after this I'm going to be showing you how to use crochet hook medium size to also interlock your dreadlocks. I don't use the pin. As you can see, the comb I'm using, I don't comb deep. And now this method is very optional because you can use your crochet hook. I like to use this method I'm gonna palm roll it to give it the round shape and to smoothen it, to help it smooth. So as you can see, this also you see how it look nice. I'm not gonna do that. Like this is better, is best, especially for a beautiful dreadlocks like this that have different shape and different size. That makes it unique. This is very important. I come through. So pass it through, and when you're passing the crochet hook through, it have to go 4 cardinal points, which is it have to go to the north, south, west, east, or it goes to left, right, up, down. You continue, you're going to repeat the same process, left, right, up, down, left, right, up, down, until the thread cannot pass through anymore. Then you stop. Yeah, that part is very soft because it's loosened. So I'm going to be interlocking it with this, and I'm not going to do it too much, because if I do it too much, the more you do it, the more it gets smaller. So I want it to be the same shape. So I will stop to check if it's the same shape by finger rolling it. So when I finger roll, I will feel the shape or the size. You see? You see? Now it is, so I'm gonna now palm roll. This is finger roll, and now I'm gonna palm roll. You're gonna squeeze it very hard when you're palm rolling it. The two palm together, and you palm roll it, as you can see. So here we use just water to spray the hair, the dreadlocks, and apply oil. Spray water, massage, and apply oil and massage again, so it can get to the scalp. So as we proceed, if the hair is dried, because we are at the back now, if the front is dried, so I will spray water again, just water and no oil anymore, because I already applied oil. And sometimes you can also put the oil in the water. That is also a good option. So you see, as you can see, the dreadlocks are different size. That's why I love it. Palm roll. Now you see that part is very thin, so I'm going to be giving it a knot to secure it so it won't break, so it will be back to normal. It's like that because the hair stretches. As you can see, it's done. Palm roll it together and view. You see, perfect. So now we're going to be doing the crochet. We're gonna interlock with crochet and maintain the strand with crochet. Then we'll palm roll. So wash. This method is easier for beginners. So I'm doing the same thing that I did before, is left, right, up, down. Continue, you repeat the same process until the locks cannot pass through anymore, then you stop. In most cases you can just stop at down. You see, now this is it. Pass it through the crochet, you pick all the extra hair, all the rough ones at the strand. You round it through the locks and pass it through the crochet. You continue the process. I hope that was a good explanation, and don't forget to enjoy my English also. Yes, so like this you're gonna continue until you can't feel, until you feel the strand is smooth enough. As you can see, I'm coming to palm roll it. We're done. So just basically same process. So is you can decide now what you want, the 3-hook, the 3-mouth hook, or the crochet hook to continue your maintenance on the strand. This is actually faster and much easier. You see, this is also almost breaking off, so I'm gonna be tying it into a knot. And when you tie it into a knot, make sure you target the place where you want to put the knot and bring it gently. It's easy, it's done. I'm using this to interlock because here is very thick and is at the front, so I really want it to get smaller. See, done. I think this is the last one. I'm sure we almost done. So as you can see, the last ones are not tight because it's at the middle. It's at the center of the head. So I just take it easy there, and they tick. So when is I stop when I can still pass it through. Just second to the last, I'll stop. See? Done. finger roll. And now we're gonna palm roll. The strand was neat. There was no much work to do with maintaining the strand, so I just palm roll. See, it's not tight. That's it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for stopping by my channel. I will see you in my next video. Bye.